Alright, so I told a lot of you guys about the game Chase that Navi and I like to play. And so, yeah, I've turned Navi into a monster by now. Here we go, I'm going to take the risk. Navi! No! Monster. Navi's a gorilla. Navi. He's a monster and he wants to go outside. I'm going to take the risk. I will now die.